Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Up and Live show. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by The Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page for all their weekly events. That's the place to be on the south side.
Yeah.
And as usual, we bring to you, special people on a weekly basis. And this gentleman, I can say, when you see him, you don't really know, say, him have mouth. Because him look like him very quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, Danga Pro is in the building with us this evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
Big up yourself. Thanks for having me here.
That's no problem. As I said, you look like a very quiet person.
Let me say, looks can be deceiving.
And I agree. Looks can be very deceiving because once Danga Pro start having a conversation, what Jamaican would I say?
Yeah.
More boss.
Yeah. Where's the rest? You go for a top shelf promoter.
Top shelf promoter,
from
man.
South London inside
Yeah,
the building.
man.
So, we have one of the top shelf promoter in South London right now on the Upper Live show. So we are talking about some things,
Yeah.
We are talking about, the nitty-gritty and, when I'm getting that promotion game, what's popping right now.
And other things
what's
in
gonna
our
pop.
business, yes.
Yeah.
So, Danga, for people who don't know who you are, who have also seen you in the dancehall space, and don't know who Danga Pro is and what Danga Pro does, give us a synopsis of who you are, please.
Right now, me categorize it as, listen, I'm just a musician. I love music. So I do a whole heap of things to music. I promote for music, I produce music, write music, sing music, a lot of stuff.
See?
So I just class.
Oh, you sing music as well?
See, we're learning a lot of... You just don't know. Profit Records. This is the man behind Profit Records, if you didn't know. So, learning a lot. So, you're a promoter, you're a musician, promoter, singer, producer, multi-talented, we can say. So, is it that you started music first or promoting? Which one forwarded first, and how did you get into that side of things?
I start DJ first.
As in disc jockey?
Disc jockey.
How?
All right, so me used to buy a record, Dub Vendor, and Clapham Junction, I don't know, Axon, all them and them.
Yeah.
And so me used to have a record, 7-inch record. And as a young youth, I always want to play music, like, at the early stages them. My friend, one of my friends actually started go to like the record store, buy a record himself every Friday after he finished work. And that's how comes me start to Techniques 1210. We start learning up a scratch and then we start mix music and whatever. Until we end up with this whole heap of record, I say, what am I going to do with it?
You have to arrange them.
I arrange them already, they organize, but me need to make people hear me, I play them.
Okay.
And that's how come we start up on the road. And I end up, funny enough, I end up on party named Hot Mondays.
Okay.
Brixton. You know who was a promoter?
Who was the promoter for the
Ragarugi.
Big up yourself, Ragarugi. Cool, no one.
And I go there with a big box and I say, say, me a DJ, I can play them. I say, young youth, you can't manage a crowd there? And I say, I don't know. I give you a chance.
What year was that, if you can remember?
That was about, I said about 2005.
About 2005.
Yeah.
At that point in life, you was still walking around with records.
Where was I in 2005? You did young.
May I tell you? I think it was now. Rewind a bit closer. Double check hear them. I'm not that old,
Yeah.
I feel a bit old now still. I feel like,
yeah,
I'm the next 5 years after that now. I feel like saying,
don't diss the youth.
Because
Don't do that.
I remember 2005, like, that was the bit where everybody was,
to CDs.
transferring from
To
like
CDs.
record to CD from the early 2001, 2002. And remember, we have them little, we call it them 87 CD player, the one that we first you could have scratched with little wheel and stuff.
Put them in a chair and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so I was a little bit, probably just before that. I was still. So at Mondays, I meet a guy named called Tony Crystal, DJ wise. He was like running the road them time. And him teach us mix properly and everything, organize music and do all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So I guess from them time there, I play music in the streets. But Tony Crystal also exposed me to a lot of people in the industry right now. Tony Mataran, Blizzard, Jeremy, and a lot of people. So we always keep a connection there. So before they moved to Birmingham, by them time, you're right, CD was in full effect.
Yeah.
You understand? And
Definitely.
being somebody who was around somebody like Tony Mataran, you learn a lot.
Definitely.
And teach me a lot. And I was around him one time, the dirty wine thing come up as well.
Oh, Zane.
Yeah, the old era, and the good as in the the good as for them.
Good as
era.
for them, yeah.
So
at the pinnacle of his career.
Yeah. So one time them song they blew up. Obviously before me and my parents when come to England. So and then the song them blew up. So me see how it go from zero till not zero, but from early stage
to execution fully.
The whole world. I'm
yeah.
And I'm also turn on my TV. Him song I play up on the TV.
Yeah.
And me I say, me and my parents up on the road. And I'm like, yo, seriously?
So how did you? So did you ever get into performing on a stage? Because you said you're a singer.
Not at that time. That happened later. Years later, probably I don't know. 8 years later.
How did that happen?
Before we move from a DJ aspect, like, did it form like a squad or it was a solo DJ? All
right, so we start
party life take on.
As a DJ, we meet a guy named called Mr. Vibes. That's how we get the vibes from, because it was Danger Vibes as my sound now, but it was Cross Vibes.
Okay.
So when we meet Mr. Vibes now, him sound named Cross Vibes. Him said, yo, I love how you play music, I'm the selector, whatever. So we just take on the streets, me have the record them, and then we just go out. Porkies, granaries.
Yeah.
Those were the places to be.
Those are the places that we was playing. So that was like CR7. Thornton it was known. It wasn't CR7. So the people who say CR7, we were the ones that say, yeah, man, we like that. That. When you go out, we will say that on the microphone.
That's what we're championing.
And then I think one of my friends who passed away, R.I.P. rest in peace, Shaka Good Life. He booked me for a party and said, listen, come play this party, because I think say, you can do it. Said, all right, cool. Then the man put on the flyer, my sound versus our next sound. And I said, versus? I mean, I don't play it. So you say versus.
Yeah.
So in research, me or people, somebody's on the street say, oh, Dallas I got kill you, you know. I said,
that's Dallas 3000.
Dallas 3000. Right.
Yeah.
So I said, why you say that? I play our party. I said, no, man, them man, they run this. I said, them I come clash and deal with them wicked. I'm like, what tell a man say me a clash nobody? Vibe selector, man. Big vibes.
Yeah,
nobody go something there. So, I mean, when we turn up at the party the night, it was like segregation. Like
your side.
70% of the crowd to him, 30% to us. But you see, when we finish the night,
100%.
we can't say we have 100%.
Yeah.
And we just realize, you see the vibe something always work. You see the clash something.
Not too.
So, we never found that time, we never too.
Did a clash happen that night?
Man.
Did a clash happen?
Him try to clash with. But to be fair, as a DJ, me couldn't clash nobody. Because I never have a dub plate, brother. I may have just some song or a sound song, but I play them like a dub plate. And as I say, I convert in the crowd.
Yeah, so when you did clash a bit.
Yeah, when I say what, not fully clash. Clash is properly like dub for dub, real thing. Yes, I come from, I never have no dub. I not guarantee no life. So
cool, no man.
We just use sound man too.
So we have a little bit of time to get to know who you are, and we have a lot of things to speak about. I want to touch on the point of how being a writer, because you say you write songs, you're a singer, and how it is that you got into producing. So if you give us that history.
Well, all right. So the music. I love music from day one. Back in the day, I come from Spanish Town.
That big people place.
City Rock and some sound is to play. Sometimes you hear them sound they play, you just love music. You just sit down out the door for how long and you wonder why. What people say. So obviously, you hear songs, 2 words together, whatever. I never actually realized that I actually have talent for music until later on in my life, because I feel like everybody couldn't just do that.
Who identified that talent?
When I said Mataran identified that as well to me.
Okay.
Yeah, because here what happened. When him write the song, I say, you have a friend who I sing song. You give a line and him probably give a line and I say, wait, say you have a good ear for music, youth. And remember I'm in the house today when him voice the song.
Yeah.
And I say, what you gonna do with that? Him say, I'm gonna send to Super Hype. Them time I know Super Hype and remember when him send it to Super Hype and then mix it and it come out. So I say, if we even say line for line and them thing, you can make a song with that, and the song can blow up, and the world love it.
Yeah. So
I never actually realized that was actually a serious thing. You understand?
Yeah.
So after a while, start him this start tour more, so him this start come to England less.
Yeah.
But the DJ side of me carry on, continued, and that blew up like Southland, and definitely we take it on all over. England actually. So
because your name is definitely stamped in South London. Like
definitely.
Anywhere in South London.
Definitely.
Like if it's a Danger Pro, people know of you. So what made you kind of do a step back from the whole DJing thing in South London?
All right, me have like my way of sort of like process of doing things. All right, what we realize is the DJs them know, a lot of them where you can see a rain or them say in control right now. They've been there like when I was, before me start, them did it from before me. And I feel like, see the youth them we are coming now, it's not that big, the market's saturated. So I think personally, if you do a certain amount of years as a DJ,
can pass it on.
You can pass it on. You understand? I feel like when we reached that level there, and I got to a stage where I feel like the ceiling was, I met the ceiling already. And you know, me do Stratford Rex, whole heap of places, O2, whole heap of places as a young guy, so as a young DJ. So I feel like when we reach that level there, I never get the phone call them for go to Miami.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
And for going to Europe. And I wonder what go on. So it's like, what we can do now? What can I do now? So I'm just kind of drift from it a little bit and make more going to like music production.
The production scene, like you say you're a writer. Do you write no song for nobody boy or like no ghost writing?
Ghost writing?
Yeah.
All right, so being in my new album, we have works on that.
Yeah,
there's a song by name King. Draw to that song there. It's a drill song.
Yeah.
Heavy influence on that song there.
Cool, no man.
Okay, because what the English drill style, because we know that drill originates from here.
Yeah. But
okay,
we can't write any song. But that song.
I feel like say you're not taught the things them. Remember I said we're getting to know you, know, and a lot of people
I'm not taught the story.
You're not taught the story them good. So we want to know. I mean, you've done writing, yes, you've done music for friends and artists nowadays. Like, give us some titles, give us some artists who you've worked with. I mean, it's your work, so you must be proud of what you've done. Give us some names.
All right, me give that song. Me give that one there.
Yeah.
Be the Man King. So, right.
Yeah. That's recent.
What about England? What about England? You know, writing song for nobody.
Apart from over here, when I like do too much of that. Can't explore. Can't.
I don't know because some of the time, remember, we fully done so when I like read like the splits and thing, you know.
We go straight for like.
We want to know who are the writers.
Because Shadi Shan was she actually signed her for a year. So
okay.
For her as
so
well.
you did some sort of management as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
For her as well.
Okay.
And obviously all of my songs and. You understand? So
Profit Records, pick up yourself.
So nothing like, let me just put this out there. Artists.
It's actually Profit.
Profit, sorry.
Nothing done wrong if somebody writes a song because somebody could have the idea and the delivery because remember, somebody can see something in you where you don't see in yourself. Yeah. So nothing wrong if a man goes to write a song for you because we know everybody a writer. And
we're being told that your history is quite big and you need to let us know. Lovely, big up yourself. Wow. So, I mean, is there, because I think, yes, we've seen your work. We know that you've done quite a number of things, but there are aspects of it which other people need to know.
Okay.
So you touch on
shed some light.
Shed some light on Profit Records. Let's start there. How did you get into producing?
All right. One time, the transition from the DJ Danger Vibes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I said, I'm gonna actually move over to actually let's say become a bigger DJ, spend the money and get the dub plates them and the wall or something, probably sound system. Nah, like, I never enjoy the speaker box.
It's a hard work.
I never like it, I never like it. Buy the van and then one time I say, we have this big old, couldn't bother with it.
Yeah.
But I love go out and make people feel happy in themselves. You understand?
Yeah.
I just think like when we reached that stage, there wasn't really much we couldn't do. That's different. I keep on do the same thing as a loop over and over again.
Get bored.
So the young youth them are coming and it's like, what am I gonna do? You understand? So I was like, all right, cool, Ewa. I think a promoter was out. I think 5 o'clock put out a post one time. I read it.
Yeah.
And I must say, him think every DJ is supposed to go out and buy a buckle in every dance and every dance can work out. And at that time, me never used to buy in a buckle dance. Me used to just go out and just collect money. So
was that throwing job at you? Was that post throwing job at you?
Not me specific. I don't think so specific. Not me. But when him said that, I thought, yeah, some more DJ. If we actually go out, then that's true. Yeah. At the time, I was actually, all right, so let's do a rewind a little bit for a second. So while I was DJing, when you go out as a DJ and you keep a birthday party, you get this overwhelming amount of support. Right. So remember, you're a service provider.
Yeah.
So you go out, you play music, but you're collecting. The difference is that promoter go out and spend money. You can collect it back one time, it's keeping an event, right?
True.
So as a DJ now, you'll get the forward. So put on 1 event, 2 event, it work, 3 event, it work. And 1 year, I think Easter, we end up at Easter was like nothing for keep, and then we started, we'll keep a party, Easter Sunday. And we end up put on a party. That became later, no, good as in the Go-Go Club, which is now the biggest event I keep, yeah?
Yes.
And that was like 15 years ago. So, I'll hold on to the side of, I hold on to the promotion side. But you see the DJ side, I can diet down a little bit. And if the love kind of reinstate a certain way, we'll go back on the streets. Because after a while, you have children, lifestyle change. It's not the same thing. You can depend on the road 7 days a week. And to me, you have to depend on the road.
To be consistent.
Plus 5 days a week as a DJ if you really want to be hot.
That's true.
Otherwise, it's not going to work for you, know.
That's true.
Yeah, fully understand. Like, a present in the DJ thing that is very important. So in terms of the part where you just talked, where the post was made and he said, as a DJ, if every DJ buy a buckle, the party will work out. Do you agree with that post or that statement that's been made?
Not for every DJ, but if DJs do come out, and support the bar, then I think the dance will be more.
But
better as well.
As a promoter, I'm speaking about you now as a promoter, right? In terms of the current going rate that the DJs are getting paid, do you think it's feasible for a DJ to buy 100 or 120 pound worth of liquor plus table, then take home whatever left after? Do you think it's feasible for a DJ?
You know, sir, I know one DJ play
to be
at a party.
honest,
to be honest, I know one DJ play at a party per night. And also, one buckle. If you for drink, you think you can drink up one buckle like this?
No, but if I come a party, I probably come with my virgin and my catty and whatever, and between 3 or 4 away, and just the same as every other DJ. Remember, you know London State, you know the segregation and the splits. Most DJs are really link like that. You will probably talk, but when you go into the party, you over there, so me over here, so because at the end of the day, you know, one of man style and say, yo, the boy dragon come drink out of my buckle last night, and you know, you know what the thing go. I mean, ask if it's feasible for a DJ to go out every event, or if them have 3 events for the weekend, then buy 3 buckle at every event. Do you think it's feasible as a promoter?
Just like what you say, it might not. Let's say you and some other DJ and friends. Maybe this is actually a way for the business become more friendlier. You have to understand that as well.
So you got being poison you?
No, them not go poison you. But because remember, you buy the buckle in a party. Not for him style. You're not going to buy a buckle for somebody who you don't personally like. I don't want DJ to play on the
But no DJ not going to come drink out your buckle if you know good certain way. And you know what the thing go. If
that's the minority. One of the ones who are actually good with each other.
Yeah, the one them good with each other.
Them can share and
not for the time we share
and
make money, but some of the time you have to be practical about this. Some of the time, if you're a DJ come at the party, especially if you have double booking in one night, you can't come at 2 parties.
You're not stay long enough, right?
Or you're not going to stay long enough. And sometimes you stay long enough. And if me one or me and my cat come there, I'd rather choose for a Magnum because any idea, if you have a party with 4 DJ on it and we attack fear business-wise now, right? The going rate is like 250, 200 pound. If me spend 120 pound out of the money already, what would I take home? Plus, me probably buy 120 or 30 pound gas.
That
means
bills to pay too,
that means I'm playing for free.
That's why I'm saying can't share the cost.
At the end of the day, I think as a DJ, you're responsible to provide entertainment.
That's true.
You are not paid as a patron because I look at it, if a promoter is looking to make back the money that you pay the DJ, that's double whammy.
No man, him not mean say as in he's gonna try to get back the whatever 200 or 250 pound I pay you from your pocket. That was make no sense. That means you're working for free, right? When I said that to you, what I'm saying is if we put the narrative out and say, listen, I remember this is a post that you put out, DJs if you can support. Just like so because you might have a DJ come in and drink a one Lucas there. That's not really feasible. Sometimes the party not going too good for a weekly party. So what I'm going to find is that you're going to have less events. And then when you have less events, you have the whole DJ want to play and nobody can play. So that's what I'm trying to say. So if the promoter say, listen, we feel like we have to support now somewhere, in a different way, listen to it. Because maybe he might try to employ you more. You understand? Because if there's no revenue, you can't pay you.
But there's another spin-off side to it. What about the DJ them on the don't book? The DJ them will come to the party as patrons, right? I will come and will buy a buckle and thing. Should we pre the promoter and say when I post well because no book me, but I still come on the party. Me still come to your party and I buy my buckle. So that means I'm going to go up on social media and class the promoter then and say, yo, promoter your style, man, I'm a fussy and I'm a rare record. Look, I buy back.
Well, I think that I can justify that. But what I say is, you see, in terms of me as a promoter, I got enough people party when I like me personally.
I ain't buying a bottle some of the time.
No, I go support them.
Yeah, but it's not every time you're going to go to an event you're going to buy a bottle.
No, not 100% time, but you have to have about 90%.
And that's a lot. But there's one thing we want to ask you. I mean, what has been keeping you as one of CR7's top promoters?
Well, what's keeping me as when I South London, people must say, "Oh, comes your name still a call?"
Still after
you don't
you
really
say
a DJ anymore. And we just that maybe me not gonna talk about it.
No. Here, don't twist the question.
Is it the good as in the go-go club?
Good as in the go-go club.
I don't know because the name just sketchy. I just like the name.
It's a very good event. We've been to a few. We've been to a few, and there is something within your strategy that is working for you, even after forwarding out of your DJ career, so to speak. Yeah. What is one strategy or one tip that you could give to current promoters who might not be getting it right, or up forwarding promoters?
Learn how to connect with the people.
And expound on that for us.
All right. What I mean is, just like me, I touched on that point. It's a very important topic. You say you have some people. Obviously, you have people working with you and against you.
Yes.
Now, if it's somebody working against you, you're not getting the satisfaction to make them win, or feel like them going to win, whatever. So let's say, for example, promotion now. Yeah, just specifically promotion now. A lot of people won't post my event. Some of them, but majority probably will. You understand? Because it might be, I don't know, say that keep on, it's clashing with them friend as a DJ and I play upon it, or sometimes they probably just don't want to do it. Yeah. All right. So me, I'll connect with the crowd, because the audience is not that one person.
True.
That might be, you might just have the same people me up on my phone, where you can share the post to. Let me go connect to the crowd and just forget about you and whatever issue you come with.
How
do
you
tell the promoter is go to your sources. You understand? At the end of the day, the people I come support you. Don't make it be a thing where them can't speak to you. All right, them feel like them can't approach you. It'll be very difficult.
Right.
I mean, once you start grow and you reach a certain level, there's no way you're gonna basically be able to reach out to everyone.
Yeah.
You're going to start keeping events and people will see the brand, and they're going to come out. You're not going to know them. You won't probably even meet them at the end of the night. Yeah. But at the same time, you know you have a brand.
So them I forgot and knock on people door like Jehovah's Witness and say, hey, it's danger.
You're not going to knock on them door, but you go out where you know they are.
Right. So go to other events, go into the spaces.
Yeah, and that is how you
be approachable.
Be approachable. And obviously put your brand out there and make them see it. And also, quality is a lot.
Quality over quantity. And what is your thought processes on having a team?
A team?
Yes.
With the team thing, the team works better. When the team's efficient, trust me, the team can break a lot of grounds.
They can build or break you.
It can build or break you, though. Yeah. You have to be very careful of the team thing, because we do the team thing already, to be fair. I think one of my partners said to me before, so she's you're creating for your own enemies them. Yeah. And I'm like, you know what? So when you know certain things, and your heart clean, you genuinely try to push that energy out to people.
Yes.
But then if they take that energy and becomes competitive to you later on, then you realize that when I timed it, you didn't want encouragement. I gave you the encouragement, but you're using it now against me neatly. You understand? But I realize it. But anyway,
I want to ask this question. Like, I realize is a very few person in terms of the promotional scene in London.
Yeah.
Understand this formula. Why in South London and North London we fail to get the majority of patrons from South or North, wherever your part is, to all part together. If you're from North, you come to South, and if you're from South, you go to North. What's the formula to get everybody together
bridge the gap.
and bridge the gap to make everything more together?
I think that the power formula for that is you have to be able to go into North London or South London back and forth as a promoter.
Right.
When I was doing early stage as good as in the Go-Go Club, me used to go North West London regular,
so
North
people
London,
know you.
East London regular.
As you connecting with the people.
Yeah, connect. So then when we keep good as in the Go-Go Club, it was always like somewhere we can keep it in North, South, East, or West.
Yes.
After a while, sometimes you tell yourself, listen, you have to hold up work. And then we got through some stuff. 1 year, me and an artist, you send for your artist and they come in the country, and it's like, when a person, to me, like, respect goes a long way. But you see, when you deal with me, like, I have to use you, I'm like, we don't understand that because that was a choice. And when the team say and friends say, listen, what you do? You go use this artist. I may have like 10 artists for you. I'm gonna choose you.
Yeah.
And then when you turn up, it's like
you never want to do the
we
job.
don't have no value. I mean, I understand that because we never owe you no money. You understand?
Cool.
And so sometimes me and the artists we clash.
Yeah.
We clashed before many times, but at the same time, tell my story, them tell for them story, and then they move on.
But at the end of the day, Danger, like, we see a lot of DJ done it. We see hosts done it where they are hot in north, they are hot in south, they are hot in east, they are hot in west. In terms of promoter, probably 4 promoter or 5 I could call in London who can draw people from north, south, east, and west. In terms of their event.
They're my promoter and my DJ though.
Some of them are genuine promoters.
Okay.
Yeah. And why is it in terms of like some promoter, when you come on to like, I know like when your event is coming up, you go and campaign, but I realize that there's a gap missing. Like, as we say, you used to go northwest, then you stop. I now see if you go every week, but you can prioritize one party a month and keep that present because them say presented everything. You remember what you just say? As a DJ, if you now go a road at night time, in a sense, just like a promoter, if you now go link up over this, no one then because you want to promote them from over north link up and from over northwest link up and whatever. You must say when you go to him once a month over there, you can link with them. And when you go to the Quams, they say, all right, I'm one back for over there so for 1 month. You bridge the gap. So people become familiar with it because what them see over here, outer side, outer mind.
That's true.
Because if you're not in the party, that means that the DJ where play him now go big up and say, big up Danga Pro. Film party so people, that them all connect.
And quickly, I'm gonna switch the topic from promoter to producer just quickly. Talk to us quickly about Profit Records and what it is that Profit Records is currently doing and who you're working with.
2016, Profit Records was created by myself and we have a recording studio in Brixton Hill. Very good studio. At the time, I decided somebody want to go more into music production and also more making music myself. But me have an issue. I DJing and do engineering music clash. It don't work. You can't be out there with the music playing in your ears and then you're in the studio. It don't work. It don't work. So me have to kind of back away from the DJing side a lot more as well. So doing that now, we learn a few things and stuff like that. And I mean, we sign an artist for a year, female artist, and also do some production with some good producers and learn a lot of stuff. Get to a point, again, what's happening with the UK scene and what's happening with the dancehall scene in general now. And I think it's in a change for the past 3-4 years, yeah?
In terms of what?
For the artists, them where get a break, it's like them not go any further, them go back. You notice? Them take a step back or 2 step back.
So, and what do you, cutting in, what do you think the reason is for that? Is it?
Well, I don't think, over here, a lot of people, and when I say over here, I mean in the UK, people don't see dancehall as like a business like that. You understand? So people do the music, but them go work after. So it's like as your hobby.
Yeah.
If an artist even blow up and them start to do a little tour, all of a sudden, them back on the ends after a while. You wonder why is that? So how comes you're not gone further in your career, etc. So I think a lot of people in the area.
Yeah. That's a factor. But you also have looked on this factor and say like a lot of these artists don't have that monetary backing. Yeah. Like there's nobody with money or with some money I know how the business back them and kind of push the music. Because I never really see nobody where me know say some have potential and somebody will have the capital come and back that artist and say, yo, we'll get this song out there to the world.
You know, I always say this to you. The money is there in terms of, if you talk about a corporate, I come in, I never said that before, but I would say
the community.
The money is there in the community. And people, when I was DJing and also making music with the studio, whatever, people approach me, like literally, if you want X amount of money, we can push this. But you have to believe that can go.
Because I have an idea, like, I'm going to use myself as an example. If I have that farmer capital to back a song, right? If I believe in that project, then me have the conversation with the artist and start with business and say, listen, I think this is a good song. Let's start all the splits. Where may I get where you are get? Because obviously, I may push the song. And then after we do the business, me invest my money, because remember it's an investment. But me never see none of that in England like so somebody believe in our song.
In the dancehall scene.
A man buy a rhythm, vice the song, mix master it, then them throw it up in our ear and say, yo, hope it stick.
Yeah, because just like what you said, the mindset. So the person, maybe that's what's missing. So the money is there, the artist is there, so how it now connect and how it now work as a business. And also nobody now really make the money from it anyway. So who out there we had the music for so long, and name I call in a dancehall music for years now. I mean, you still really see them. I mean, until them say crony abroad before them crony. So it's like when you see them local, it's like them are local people anyways, you understand? But to somebody overseas, there might be, a name, that brand. I guess the youth them not really convinced. They're not convinced. They never convinced me, to be fair.
I think we need another session to talk to Danga Pro, because there's a lot of information that he has to share, but time is fastly slipping away from us. We want to talk about energy.
Yeah.
That's the name of it, right?
Yeah, Energy Fest. Yeah.
Talk to us about Energy Fest, 29th of October.
So Energy Fest, all right, featuring Pamputtae and Queenie.
Yes.
And we have a lot more artists to perform, but stick to the main for now. Energy Fest is not good as in the Go-Go Club. Don't get it mixed, don't get it twisted. It's not good as in the Go-Go Club, right? We're not trying to recreate good as in the Go-Go Club, but we are trying to do a nice mixture of energy. So people, if you know your energy right, come mix. And then we should have even a better energy, because a good mixture we are talking about.
Yeah.
So DJ wise, we have a good lineup, and also we have the artists and we are performing. We also have dancers as well. So
you're not giving us the information. Who are the DJs on the bill? We're seeing young ones. We're seeing Andrew Fresh,
DJ Lani,
DJ
Swiver.
What's the name of Swiver and his team?
Terratone
Sound.
Lizard and Grandpa.
Dallas 3000.
Yeah. Right. And the artists that are performing.
The UK artist side, undisclosed at the moment.
So it's going to be a surprise, ladies and gentlemen.
That is undisclosed.
That's undisclosed. But what is disclosed is the hosts for the evening.
Oh, Danny Bless and
Forever Sasha. Top tier host. So
remember that something there.
Awareness.
We have the UK two leading hosts on the event, and you can't go around that.
And the tickets are on Eventbrite.
Definitely.
And remember, this party is all about 4 till 11, so it's an
early party.
7 till 11.
And it's also a set location. If you notice the address up on the flyer.
It's not no secret location.
No, it's not a secret location event.
So people here now, you can go to nice clean things them and know say you're not going nowhere else, you're not going about asbestos and them something there, You can go to, ladies, you can put on your heels, you don't have to wear the sneakers.
Look nice.
You can dress up nice and good and, come out here clean things them.
Right.
You know, say it's a nice clean party.
and can, Uncle Ives, if you can just zoom in on the flyer that Danga Pro is putting up, higher, a little bit higher. The timing has been, so it's 4 till 11 now, not 7 till 11.
It's 4 till 11.
4 till 11, starting early. So ladies and gentlemen, forward out early. Make sure someone get on the tickets. The early bird tickets are all sold out. So what's the cost of tickets now?
Tickets are, I think, £25.
£25.
So
can anybody pay on the door when they're forward, or they have to have tickets?
Depends on the numbers that we have. If we have pre-sold tickets, can be sold out before the event. You have to be very careful. So buy tickets now to be safe.
To be safe.
Yeah.
And if you don't have a ticket, you probably don't have a chance. Danga Pro, big up yourself.
Up on live.
You have been doing the work.
To be continued, man.
To be continued. Most definitely. You've been putting in the work, and we do appreciate it.
One half cut,
Probably.
We have started thinking about some half cut interview, because I feel like the timing too short. Because I feel like we're touching enough of history.
That's true.
Because remember, Danga Pro is a South London Dan.
Dan.
No, but it's like you know where the thing go.
Yeah. So thank you ever so much for passing through, bro. Continue putting in the work. You will get the support. We're looking forward to more products from Profit Records, especially.
Yeah, man. We have some.
Any projects forwarding out that we can talk about?
Projects forward.
Give me some details, no man.
So right now, we want to see where the Grammy album are going with.
Yes.
You understand? Because I say, we want to see what I'm going with.
Yeah.
So you can ease up for a little while to see what I'm going.
Yes.
Put in some work there, so we'll see what I'm going.
See what I'm going.
But definitely, we have 3 artists that come up on the road for Profit Records.
Can we call any names, or is
no,
that
we can't call any name.
Everything, bro.
Because the video can just drop, and then I can just know what I'm going to.
Okay.
And
man, I got secrets.
not who you expect.
Okay.
It's not what you expect.
Now we're intrigued, so we need to stick and stay to Profit Records. Yeah. That's the Instagram page. What is your personal Instagram page?
Danga Pro _CEO. That's DANGAPRO _ CEO.
Big up yourself, bro. Ladies and gentlemen,
so
we are.
Before we go, when is next Good As in the Go-Go Club? Because people might talk
easy.
about that.
Easter Sunday.
So is that Easter?
Is it every Easter Sunday?
Market
Good As in the Go-Go Club.
So me like it you know, say you know Good As in the Go-Go Club. So
when I can go.
Rasta, sorry, a side chick time, you know. The wife of them stay home because Good As in the Go-Go Club. Yeah, I drew me I make. Yeah, no.
The ladies are outside.
Yeah, I just say thing good.
Me not take it personal. You can do the thing, man.
Yeah, you know what the thing go. See there.
So big up yourself.
You
and
cannot tell yourself as well, your friends.
I don't have friends there.
You don't have friends?
See my friend there.
Oh gosh.
Anyway, we can't talk off the air. You know you're saying my bench me. You know you're saying must stay home. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, big up yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by the Granaries. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and check out their weekly events. Make sure that you go over to our YouTube channel to support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, hit the notification bell to be notified when all our videos drop. Thank you for joining us this evening and interacting with us. Thank you again to Danga Pro for passing through. Dragon All Star.
You know what the thing go, people? I'm not talking about a fuck today, but you don't know the thing go. Love your brother, love your sister, let love ruin everything you do. Once you read a book, you know them say brain poison, mean power. Until next week.
See you guys. Take care.
Cavity when I hit the